Okay, yes, this is my family. Look at that. This is me when I was a fat cunt. Look at me. This is Jackie, Mama, Ila, and Babbo, my father, right? And we were here in Montrose, I think it's called. Is a town in Scotland, in the east coast of Scotland. And okay, this video is about DJI and GoPro. Okay, recently I sold my DJI Action 4 and my GoPro Hero 9, okay, just for money reason. I needed some money, okay, to return in my pocket, some cash, okay. But this video is gonna be about the pro and cons of DJI and GoPro, okay. So that photo over there, even though it's a bit weird, that's myself in the front line, okay, with my big belly, okay. There's no distortion at all. It is a high quality photo in terms of quality itself. You can see the sun, the grass, the sea, the sky is blue. That's a typical feature of the characteristic of GoPro, okay, but which is nice because it was sunny, the sky was blue, but okay. What I want to say is that I cannot say the same for DJI Action 4. Every photo, practically every photo that I've been taking with DJI Action 4, there was distortion. So people would come out with long arms, long legs, or overall too long. They didn't respect the reality of their own features, okay. While there's no distortion at all here, there's no distortion at all. So this is the video of today. GoPro, when it comes to photo, and that was a GoPro Hero 9, so quite an old version, okay. So GoPro, when we are talking about photos, it's a lot better than DJI Action 4. Nobody told you, because with all the YouTubers paid to say nice things about DJI Action 4, nobody would tell you. But GoPro is a lot better when it comes to photo. Well, even the amount of pixels tells you. I think the GoPro Hero 12 is like 27 megapixel, while this one, I don't remember, but is at least 20, GoPro Hero 9, while DJI Action 4 is about 12, I think. But apart from the number of megapixel, doesn't matter. There is distortion. There is a very big distortion with DJI Action 4. So if you want an action camera that has that takes good quality pictures, I would say go for the GoPro. Go for the GoPro. Nobody tells you, because GoPro is kind of declining somehow. I mean, it's like it's not taking care of this world anymore. I don't know. All the Chinese, maybe because they can rely on cheap manufacturing, they can rely on cheaper workers. I don't know, but they are making microphone. They're making how do you call it, drones. They're making gimbals, while GoPro only makes as far as I know, action camera, even though I read that is thinking to shift on helmets. I don't know, but what I want to say is, for the photos, go for GoPro. I actually miss my GoPro, my little GoPro Hero 9. Slow in transferring data and everything, but with all the problems that GoPro has. But you would go in a nice place, sunny place, and it would not let you down. GoPro would not let you down when it comes to pictures, okay, when it comes to photos, okay. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video. Thank you.